In this guide, we're going over why your iPhone messages are green and the easy switch back to blue. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, let's go over the difference. Blue messages are iMessages, which send through Apple using Wi-Fi or cell service, and green messages are regular SMS text, which send through your phone carrier. To fix it, back out of iMessages or messages and just go ahead and open up your phone settings. Scroll down on here and select apps down at the very bottom, and then you need to open up messages. So search for messages on here. You're going to see an iMessage setting. Go ahead and turn that off. Then wait a few seconds and turn it back on. Once it activates, you're going to see a send and receive option. Go ahead and select that and make sure that your phone number is selected. You'll also select your Apple ID email as another option. Next, just go ahead and go back to your main settings page, scroll up, and you need to make sure Wi-Fi is connected or go to cellular and make sure that cellular data is turned on. If it's still green, go to settings and then go to general, just like so. And then you need to select transfer or reset iPhone down at the very bottom, hit reset, and then select reset network settings. As a final step, just hard reset your phone by pressing volume up, volume down, and then holding the side button until the Apple logo appears. But that is it. You can then try sending that message again and you should be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.